Step back into time with this rustic hunter's cabin plus an additional cabin built by a bridge builder, so it is a metal building. Backing to National Forest, this cabin was used as a summer getaway. Fully screened front porch both upstairs and down to relax and listen to the river that is within 2 stone throws away, great for fishing. Uniquely, this ran off of a propane or kerosene refrigerator and stove with oven, kitchen sink for the dishes, a wood-burning stove to keep you warm at night, oil lamps to read by, and an outhouse. Now apparently just for grandma, he built a propane-heated water boiler upstairs and would walk across the street to the well and fill the container so she could have a warm shower. A seasonal creek runs across the front of the yard and makes a park-like environment. Really cute.